Hey guys, this video is for those people wondering how to lock Apple Cash Card. Now, the normal Apple Card, it doesn't need to be locked because it cannot be used without a Face ID or fingerprint. Okay, so I want to be completely upfront about that. But with Cash, Apple Cash Family, you can actually lock your child's account. Okay, so on your iPhone, you just open up the Wallet app. You tap on your Apple Cash Card, and then you just tap on the more icon, the more button, the three dots, and then you can tap on Apple Cash Family. You just tap on the child or teen's name, and you'll get a bunch of different options here. You can even lock the card for that specific child if you're the Cash Family organizer, Apple Cash Family organizer. Okay, really that easy. So if you found this helpful, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to App Mentor.